I want to talk about this no-stick saucepan that Xuanying sent me to do a video on. First of all, it's got a sharp look. I kind of like the green tint that it has to it. Comes with the lid, you can see right there, glass lid, and right inside the no-stick coating. This is a granite coating, which is fantastic. Shipping, it comes in 2 pieces. Assembly is very easy. There's a screw right there. And they even send the screwdriver that goes with it to attach the handle. So, piece of cake. Also included are some instructions for care. And I wanted to try it out, having spaghetti tonight. So I wanted to do some sauce. And one of the tough things about spaghetti sauce is usually as you're cooking it, it's going to stick to the pan. There's a lot of scrubbing involved, and that's always a pain in the butt. So here we are. It's all cooked. And this has got a wide pour. So you can see right there, very easy to pour. Comes out, little to no splashing. And cleanup, once again, is a piece of cake. Right here, I'm just going with some hot water, and you can see the majority is coming off right there without any problem whatsoever. And lastly, I'm going to grab a sponge and just kind of touch up a little bit, and you can see right there, pretty much very, very easy work to keep this clean, non-stick. I think this is going to be one of my go-to saucepans, without a doubt. If you need a new saucepan, click on the link in the description below.